ice cream.
Two for $5. I'll take 3. Pizza rolls.
Gummy bears.
Hey, stop. Put that
What?
shit down.
What?
But why, bro? Well, what's your goal, bro? Are you trying to build muscle and actually be healthy? Or are you just trying to dirty bulk? Yeah, man, I want to get big. I want to lean bulk. Well then, alright, bro. I suggest you put the rest of the shit back and go get some whole healthy foods and watch the rest of this video if you want to lean bulk. Yes, sir. Alright guys, before we really jump into bulking 101, I'd like to share a story with you, and that is when I really started to get into, I already was into fitness and all that, but I took it to the next level. So it was the end of 2018 and I was on probation and I wasn't doing some things I was supposed to do. And my mom mostly told my probation officer all about it, and I ended up getting put on house arrest for like a half a month. And after that, I came out of it with the mindset that I just really want to improve my life and do things better. So I instantly was like, I'm just gonna go to the gym consistently. And I was hitting the gym, but I wasn't really reaping the results I wanted to see in the first couple months in 2019 getting out of house arrest. And that's when I decided to invest in a workout program. And in a short phase of a few months, I really gained a lot. Like, I could tell I gained a lot of muscle, and I just felt so much better in my body. And this video is for the average Joe that wants to get in shape naturally, because what you guys seen and what you guys have been told is a huge lie about bulking up and really getting big and all that, because most people think like, oh, I think I'm gonna get super big, when you're really not. And I have a shorter video coming out on this, but I can go into it on a little more detail here. Is that like, it's a lie, cause you're not really gonna get that big unless you do like steroids or something like that. That is gonna really just, and I don't really know much about that. The only thing I really do that isn't like super natural is like creatine, and I'm pretty sure that like that's natural. So that's the only thing I really do. So I'm talking to the people that want to build muscle naturally. So basically what a lean bulk is, where you're gaining muscle gradually over time and not gaining that much fat. So it's a lean bulk. It's not a dirty bulk, because with the dirty bulk you'll most likely end up gaining just as much fat as muscle. But with a lean bulk, we're trying to keep the body fat percentage around the same while increasing your muscle mass. So you'll probably be gaining some weight for sure. And in that time period where I was talking about earlier, where I invested in a program that was gonna get me to where I wanted to be, and in that few months I gained at least 5 to 10 pounds of just pure muscle. And all jokes aside with dirty bulking, I just don't think it's a short-term solution. Like, yeah, you'll maybe get big real fast, but you'll either end up losing the muscle or something and not really gaining the real lean muscle and strength you want, and you'll end up putting on more fat and then just end up looking more skinny fat. Also, I do have another video that compares options: the lean bulk, the cut, and the body recomp. So if you're interested in that, I'll put a link to it somewhere around here, and you can click on that and watch that video too, because in that I kind of go in detail on each one. But in this video we're just talking about lean bulking and how you can do that if you think that is right for you. And if you don't know what is right for you, then I suggest going and checking out that other video. Now I may look a little different, maybe a different shirt. Hey, so I was editing the video and I realized I missed some parts, but let's hit on them right now. So if you really want to lean bulk, you're really gonna have to focus on your caloric intake. So as long as you're eating within your needs of in your caloric intake, that means that you're gonna progressively gain muscle. Another thing is focusing on your training, really asking yourself, like, what am I doing for training? Am I doing something that is proven to get me results? Or am I just kind of guessing? Do I not really know what I'm doing and all that? You gotta ask yourself that. And just getting consistent with a personalized plan that is gonna get you from point A to point B. But anyways, if you guys wanna check out this guide I put together, free guide, you can go, this goes into much more detail on all of these subjects. So if you want that, I'm gonna leave a link to it down in the description. And before you go ahead and get that guide, it's just doing it on a computer. It usually works better for people when they do it on a computer, because sometimes they've said, oh, it doesn't work when I'm on my phone. So if you're already on your computer, great, but if you're not, I'd suggest going on one. But if you don't have a computer, then that's totally fine too. Then just use your phone or whatever you have to check it out. Hey, I really hope I really hope this video was helpful in getting you clarity on lean bulking. And if it was, let me know by hitting that like button and subscribing if you're not already. If you are, thank you, because I'm trying to bring content that is going to improve your lives, mainly in your fitness and all that, but I'm also in the other topics as well. So if you're into fitness and all that, then subscribe if you're not already. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna run soon. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care. Peace.